I see people are asking me, hey, why you moved from mobile mechanic, why you all have a shop, is it better, is not? I see some people, they are saying, okay, I want to open a mobile mechanic and I want to have a big truck, I want to have like a box truck. No, you don't need it. I see a guy, he opened a mobile mechanic service, he only doing brick, that's all he did. He wasn't the experienced person, but his Google account was flooded with 5-star review. 5-star review. He had like 800 or 1800 5-star review. Just imagine. He was doing just brick. If you can do such a things, just do the brick, and that's all you can do that. I think that's very awesome. You can give a good price, you can collect good reviews, you can find a good customer reputation, and then after that you can change your Google profile. Okay, we no longer do brakes only, we do oil change, we do alternator, we do starter, we do batteries, we do all stuff, and that's where you can level up. You can go step by step. Don't do it like me, because a couple of years ago, after 2 years of doing mobile mechanic, I opened a shop and I lost a lot of money, and that's a mistake. You don't want to do that mistake like I did. That's ridiculously, I lost a lot of money. I lost momentum. I was so tired. I was exhausted. But the good thing about that, I closed it. I shut it down, sold all of my tools. I just quickly get out of it, because I know as long as I go, it make me burn out, make me tired. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to continue. And now I start fresh. I start with more experience as far as the shop management, as far as the handling my customers, as far as the handling the jobs that I have, as far as hiring people, as far as how much I need to pay them, as far as my payments and stuff, structure, collecting money, paying tax, dealing with accountant. I see people are asking me, hey, why you moved from mobile mechanic, why you all have a shop, is it better, is not? Definitely owning a shop, it's totally different things, different level of owning a mechanic shop, owning a repair business. But you need to have a right shop. A couple years ago, if you guys watching my YouTube video and channel, you guys know I owned the shop. 7 mechanic, they were working constantly in the shop. I lost money. I lost all of them. It was so painful. I couldn't make any money, and I was paying all the technicians, expenses, utilities, taxes and stuff, and end of the month I was looking at my account, zero, nothing. Why? Because that was the wrong shop in the wrong location. It wasn't the shop, it was a warehouse. No public customer, no walk-in customer, all through appointments. Advertising costs a lot, and it's very hard to bring customer. You don't have a shop in a public road. Mostly women, they're not gonna come to your shop. They don't wanna do that. They don't wanna associate with the shop in the backyard. They don't wanna associate themselves in the shop, looks like a warehouse. And I think that was the wrong shop. And if you're in the position, you don't have a budget, you don't have money, you don't have experience, you don't have a backup, it's better to do mobile, okay? Mobile, it's so easier than owning a shop, because as soon as we open this shop, just imagine $10,000 rent, $10,000 deposit, $1,200 for electric deposit. Then every places that you go and sign up for firefighters, business license, you need to get the internet, you need to get a lot of stuff, and it costs so much money. I think for us with the tools and stuff, it costs like $50,000 to get lift installed, to get tire machine, to get extra tools that we need, AC machine and all stuff. It cost me $50,000 easily. That's how the shop is costly. And if you're lucky, you can find the shop in a good location. If not, backyard shop, something like the shop that I used to have, no, it's not worth it. Just stay with mobile. Why? Mobile is not costly. You have your car, you can be one of the best car for mobile mechanic is a Prius, and you can put your tools in the back in the trunk, and you can use it as a personal car too. And I have a mechanic, he's working as an Uber at night and he's doing mobile mechanic during the day. His car a little bit dirty, smells a little bit grease and oil, sometimes gas, but I told him that's how it is, just better to gain experience, learn more, so you can make more money, good money with mobile mechanic, and you don't need to do Uber at night. And he's new, but mobile it's very easier, it's low cost. You don't need to pay high insurance. We pay $500 for insurance. That's another thing. You don't need to pay anything for insurance. I recommend get the insurance if you don't or you can't afford it, because it costs a lot, especially if you never had the insurance, business insurance. It costs a lot. Just you can avoid it, you can just work with it, and you just need LLC, some tools, and that's it. I see some people, they are saying, okay, I want to open a mobile mechanic and I want to have a big truck, I want to have like a box truck. No, you don't need it. All you need is experience, knowledge, because if you know how to work on cars, if you know how to deal with cars, with the screws, with the nuts, with the bolts and stuff, how to remove stuff, you don't need really sophisticated, expensive tool set and huge tool set. A little bit of tool set is enough. I have 2 boxes, one big box for big tools like a hammer, like a big extension, like all those big numbers, ratchet, you know, like 27 wrench, 27, 32 and stuff, and some special tools for AC and stuff, and the rest are fitting in the small box. That's it. And I have 1 jack, 2 jack stand, and the rest nothing. That's all. Easily fit in any trunk small car. Especially if you buy a car, buy it 4-cylinder. If you can, buy hybrid. That's better, even better, because you save a lot on gas. That's fairly easy. And just make sure do advertising. Google ad is the best. Google ad is one of the best advertising you can do. That's it for mobile mechanic. If you can afford shop, stay mobile until you find a good shop and you find yourself, you're ready at the position you can handle. You can handle at least 1 or 2 months rent, payments, utilities. You have backup, you have friends to help you, you have your wife so she can come to the office and do the office work, or while you're working in the shop you cannot handle everything. That's going to be hard for you. And I think this is very important and crucial. Until you're not ready, don't jump and open a shop. When I'm saying ready, is not just financially, ready mentally, ready as far as the experience. You need to have a good experience. You need to work at least 4 or 5 years in different shops or one shop so you can learn. You can see the shop management, you can see the software, how the software works. You know all the repairs, you deal with all kinds of problems, you deal with all kinds of cars, different cars. And that's it. That's after 5 years, you gain a lot of experience, you're good in communication, you're polite, organized person. You go ahead and open a shop. Why not? Shop is the best, man. You can't imagine, you know, we are not driving right now. We're avoiding going out. Still, we have mobile mechanic. I have my tools in back of my truck, and if customer calls and if it's in like around like 10 or 15 mile radius and we don't have much job in the shop, I'll send the mechanic out. I have 2 mechanics right now in the shop, they're working. I'll send one of them, okay, we do battery change, we do tires replacement and stuff. If they need jack or some simple stuff, but we don't do heavy stuff. Any heavy things need to come to the shop. I don't do it like before. We were doing timing job outside of the customer's house. We were doing like all kinds of repairs that need to be on the lift. It's gonna be exhausting, hard. I have a shop right now. I'm getting enough job, and it's better for me to invest on my shop for reputation, for advertising, instead of just promoting the mobile mechanic. Other people do the mobile mechanic things. There's a lot of mobile mechanic out there. They need job. I'll call them. I give their phone number, and they go ahead and handle their job easily. That's the things about being a mobile mechanic and having a shop. If you're not ready, stay as a mobile. If you're looking for a car to start a mobile mechanic business, I highly encourage you to start small, do small things, and that helped me a lot. And I hope this video helped you to find the right path for your future, and I highly encourage you just watch this video and let me know what you think. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.